Are you sure your family and friends are getting the right diagnostic test done? We are two AIIMSonians helping you out to get the right test done.
So doc, which test were you talking about?
I was talking about a mammogram. So, tell me, when do you get a mammogram done?
Mammogram is basically X-ray of the breast. So, any woman in your house is complaining of a lump in the breast, or there is change in the skin color of the breast, or the nipple was normal and pointed outwards before but now is showing some change, such as it is moved inwards, or there is slight retraction, then if she's also complaining of discharge from the breast, it could be just a clear fluid, or it could be some pus, or it could be blood, then you need to rush to the nearest doctor and get a mammogram. Along with it, you might be suggested an ultrasound based on the age, and there are series of some other tests to be done along with this if you are having these above mentioned complaints.
Oh, actually, one of my family members was advised a mammogram even though she was completely normal. So, what's this about, doc?
This is basically called a screening mammogram, doc.
What's a screening test?
Screening test is basically a test which is done to detect cancer at very early stages.
Why is this screening test very important, especially in mammogram?
This test is very important because 1 in every 28 women in India are suffering from breast cancer, and by doing this screening mammogram, you would be able to get an early diagnosis, and hence you can rush to the doctor for an early treatment.
So, doc, when do you get a screening mammogram done?
Screening mammogram should be done by every woman in every house who is more than 40 years of age, and it should be done once in a year.
Oh. Actually, one of my friends, she was less than 40 years of age but was also prescribed a mammogram. So, what's this about?
This is basically a special case scenario where if any of your family members or your close relatives are suffering from a breast cancer, or they've died due to a breast cancer or an ovarian cancer, then in that case scenario, you, my friends, should reach out to a doctor at 30 years and get the screening test done.
Oh, thank you very much. Now, I'll immediately rush to a nearest diagnostic center and get a mammogram done for my loved ones. If you guys want us to create more videos about awareness of the right tests, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.